For August 1st, 2026, the mind is quieter but not softer. The rolling 30-day screen now holds 716 signals, 9 fewer than the prior edition. The shape is Material 135, Intelligence for 03, Network 92, and Diversity 86. Intelligence is still the heavy center of gravity. Material keeps widening. Network is balanced. Diversity is still contracting. Material cooled by 4, intelligence cooled by 2, network held flat, diversity cooled by 3. About 23.9 signals a day survived the screen, so this is not the internet's noise pile, it is the judged current. Today's stack has 3 live tells. First, Gemini Robotics 2 gives robots whole body control moves capability into bodies and factories. Second, AGI as moral subject strains control-based alignment pushes the alignment question past output control and into agency itself. Third, React gets native access to Salesforce's platform reminds us that access rules become power rules once agents do real work. So the pattern is not just more AI. It is intelligence leaving the browser, entering the control plane, and asking who gets practical agency before the gate hardens. That is the useful read, with the usual small caveat that civilization still has not found the unsubscribe button for infrastructure. Conscience is up 1 point, at 44 out of 100, balanced. Widening beats concentrating 373 to 281. The uncomfortable part is the split, diversity is concentrating, while material and intelligence are widening and widening. Balanced is not safe. Balanced means the argument is still alive. The test is concrete. Can customers see better service? Can workers gain leverage? Can affected people challenge the system? And does benefit travel beyond the owners? If yes, capability becomes agency. If not, it becomes a very polished toll booth. The daily discipline is not to cheer the newest capability. It is to follow consequence while the system is still plastic. If the stack is moving from cloud, to agents, to robots, then design rights matter now. Who can inspect, who can contest, who shares the upside, and who is merely being optimized around. Keep those questions close. They are cheaper before the concrete dries. For the medical side of the same discipline, watch today's The Cure protocol. It takes the fresh research signals source by source, what changed, who it could help, what still needs proof, and the next test before hope is allowed to call itself care.